For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered the highest single-day spike of 32,696 fresh cases in a span of 24 hours. This is the first time the COVID-19 cases have crossed 30,000 mark. The country's overall caseload stands at 9,68,876. The country reported 606 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in the country to 24,915. In the wake of a surge in COVID-19 cases in India, the recovery rate comes as a minor relief. The recovery rate in the country stands at 63.25%. As per Union Health Ministry, more than 6,12,814 people have been cured of COVID-19. Over 20,783 patients were declared cured from the virus in the past 24 hours. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India has touched 9,68,876, while the number of people who have been discharged stands at 6,12,814. The death toll in India rises to 24,915. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,27,39,490 tests were conducted in various laboratories across the country till July 15. 3,26,826 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Gujarat continue to report the highest number of cases in the country. Maharashtra remains the worst hit state with 2,75,640 COVID-19 cases so far. Meanwhile, states such as Bihar and Karnataka have imposed stringent lockdown measures to curb the spread of COVID-19. Maharashtra continues to remain on the edge with 8,000 fresh new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The state has recorded 2,75,640 cases, while the recoveries are at 1,52,613. Over 10,928 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state so far. Delhi, the second most hard-hit state due to COVID-19, has registered over 1,16,993 cases, while 3,487 died due to the deadly pandemic. Tamil Nadu has registered 1,47,324 COVID-19 cases and 2,099 people have lost their lives. Gujarat has registered 44,552 COVID-19 cases and the deaths in the state stand at 2,079. Last in the tally is Karnataka. The state has over 47,253 COVID-19 cases while 928 people have died due to the deadly virus. Meanwhile, IIT in Delhi has developed a low-cost COVID-19 kit that is claimed to be the world's most affordable diagnostic kit for the virus. IMA has issued a red alert to doctors and medical administrators to raise the guard as around 99 doctors across the country have succumbed to the virus. India continues to be the third worst affected COVID-19 country after Brazil and US. US continues to be the epicenter of COVID-19 with 67,632 cases in the last 24 hours.